Canva has introduced different set of features in their newly launched Magic Studio, which we are going to cover in video. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you're familiar with Canva, I presume that you are. Let's get onto it. The first part, we will be creating magic designs for our social media handles. So for this part, what you need to do is going to the Magic Studio icon here. You will end up a dashboard like this. And now you have a search bar with the magic icons to it. So here you need to describe your design. So you can design anything to it. So let's create a code for our website. So for example, create in code for vision, just for the sake of example. So now you have a two set of suggestions here and two set of magically created prompts here. So there is a create a motivational quote based poster for a classroom. You can create a poster out of it. And there's a create a motivational quote poster for study from home. Obviously, we don't want that. Now, next thing we can add to our prompt is the platform which we are going to post, like for Instagram post. Create inspiring quote for motivation for Instagram post, and you will have a more advanced prompt engineered suggestion here. As you said, create an inspiring quote post with a vintage wallpaper background for Instagram, and there you have a inspiring post featuring a motivation quote from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar or something like that. Just go for it. So I'm just click on enter. So let's see what Magic can create for us. Let's wait for it. It will take a minute or two to create. And there is a two column. There is first is the templates. So you will find a lot of templates. The aspect ratio is 1:1, which is for the Instagram post. So here, and there is a magically created design. There's a set of design which is created by Canva Magic. So if we scroll right to it, you will find a different set of templates here. And now it's time to customize it. So how you can customize this? See, if you want to change the look and feel of the Magic Create design, then you can just click on the all filter. And there's a set of styles you can edit. Okay, so if I add something to the professional, click on apply. So the Magic design will stays the same. It will just adjust a bit of an element to match suit your design. So this is a one filter which you already done, and the templates will automatically create it according to the filters you have chosen. And the next is category. So category which we already post here, it is for the Instagram post. But if you want to change it to say Pinterest post, you can easily go to the category and social media and check the Pinterest post from here. But obviously we have already given a title here. So there is the next is media, and for the media you can choose your own. Yes, I want to choose my own, which I've already uploaded and selected it. If you want to select your own, you can just click on choose file. Now there is a branding. So branding is essential. If you have a Canva branding already enabled, you can choose in between your branding here. There's a Kwebby, there's a PMind. I want to add it to the PMind. Just click on the PMind and select the results here. So when you click on the see result, it will take a minute or two to match the branding to your designs. So let's see, whichever one you like, just click on that, and this looks way better. And customize this template. Obviously, if you don't like them at all, you don't need to just go here and choose any of the from the following and just start customizing it. That's how easy it is to choose magic designs for Instagram or social media handles. So that's the first part.